Hey everybody, and happy Friday. We're here working today on the Bullet. I took her over to Lamada's Performance yesterday over in Longwood, and Jake welded in the bung, and so now that's welded in and done. We routed the sensor, came up through the floor, up over on the driver's side, and as you can see, I've got my gauge here and mounted. And we're wired in, everything's plugged up. I'm going to tie wrap this, tuck it up neatly, and then put the bottom dash back together. So this way, this here is out of the way. I'm going to take this bolt out so I can route cables a little neater. So there's my power. I ran it to the circuit for the gauges and traction control, so that it comes on when the key is in. I got the connector on there and ready to go. And I'm going to put my fuse box cover back on. I got to trim it to accept that so that it can lock everything up in place and neatly tucked out of the way. And we'll go from there. We did the calibration and everything, so the gauge is working fine. Like I said, I'm just going to tie wrap everything up out of the way and make it nice and neat under the dash. And then I'll figure out if how I want to install this permanently, whether I want to drill the holes and put the pins in, or if I just want to use the double stick tape. I'm not sure, but it's a good, secure, tight fit for right now, so I can figure that out later. I didn't want to run the cable through the transmission tunnel by the shifter, where I've seen so many people do that. I didn't like that idea. So just for my personal, we ran it up through the floor and tucked it up underneath the sill panel here. So I got a little silicone, I glued it up shut. There's a body panel grommet there that it came through. So now it's just sealed. Everything's nice and neat. So now I'm just going to finish tucking everything up inside and clean it up, and then I'll start it and show you the gauge, and we'll go from there. Okay everybody, so fuse box cover's on, it's been trimmed. So now that's all tucked up. Wiring's tied up underneath here. If you can look here, you can see got it tie wrapped together. Everything's good. Now I'm going to put the bracing back on, and then the bottom of the dash cover here, I'll put that back on. It's just basically 4 8mm bolts for all of them, and then it pops into place. And then I'll start it up and show you what the gauge reads. Like I said, you got 2 8mm bolts on here. Tighten these. That puts your metal piece back up here. Alright, and then you have your plastic piece here, and this, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed while I hold the camera, so excuse the jumpiness, pops into place. Alright, and then underneath there are 2 8mm bolts that hold this cover on. So we get those started. Excuse the mess of the car, it's a little messy today. I'm getting ready to clean it. Tomorrow is the show for the Hope organization in Oviedo for the Mid-Florida Mustang Club. So I'm cleaning up the car for that today too. So that'll be nice. I got a few friends that'll be there with their bullets, and it's open to all shows, so I'll take some video tomorrow walking around and show you some of the cars. There's some beautiful Mopars going to be there, some nice Chevys, some fantastic cars. So should be a good turnout tomorrow. They have a good turnout for the show every year, so I look forward to it. It's one of the few car shows I go to anymore. So now I'm just going to finish tightening this. Let me see here. started. Tighten that up. That's tight. So now that's all done. Pick up my tools. Get those out of the way. Be right back. Got my keys. Neutral. Emergency brakes on, so I don't roll out of the garage. And let's see what it does. There we go. Heater. So there's my view driving down the road. So there we go. So there you have it. It's installed, working, everything's good. All my gauges still work. Traction control comes on and off like it should. So we're good. Now it's just clean the car up. As you can see, I started on the windshield. You can see the dirty side and the clean side. And I'm going to get it all cleaned up now for the show, and we'll go from there. You guys all have a great day. I'll post some video. This will go up probably tonight, and then tomorrow I will go through and do a walk around video showing everybody some of the different cars here. I probably won't talk much during it just because, I don't know, we'll see. But there you have it. I got to clean the car up today and get it all ready for the show, as it's a mess. You guys enjoy your day, stay safe, stay hydrated. It's hotter than Hades here in Florida, so you guys be safe. I don't video while I'm cleaning the car, just basically because I play music and I don't want any copyright infringements. So here we have the car, all messy, dirty. So I'll post the video up, or I'll take another shot, I guess, when I get the car all cleaned up and ready to go, and we'll go from there. I'm going to crank up some music. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and you guys have a great day. All right, well, she's as clean as she's going to be right now for the show tomorrow. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Got all the wiring done, everything's done there, it's cleaned up. Car's cleaned. I had to bring the cars back in. Dark clouds are moving in, so it's getting ready to rain. Brought the convertible back in the garage. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some lunch now, as it is 12:30. And then I gotta go pick up a chair, because I don't have a chair for the car show tomorrow. But like I said, I'll be putting up more video tomorrow from the show, and we'll go from there. You guys have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe, share with your friends, drop a comment, let me know what you think, if I'm doing it right, if I'm doing it wrong, and you guys have a great day and be safe out there.